from Yolissa's Hair. They were nice enough to send me over this beautiful blonde wig. Like, I feel like a black Barbie. I feel like I always call myself a black Barbie, but if you follow me on social media, y'all know the captions. Y'all get the vibes. So anyways, I wanted to get on camera to talk about the hair just a little bit for you guys, because this hair is not one of those simple wig units. So I want to let you guys know that this wig unit does come with the brown roots. So the brown roots is like a number 4, I would say, I think. But yeah, these are like brown roots. Like, these literally look just like brown. As you guys can see, literally what it's looking like on camera is how it looks in person. I know y'all probably like, this girl got black nails, what is going on? Listen, if you guys are not a fan of the number 4 brown roots, this wig unit would not be for you. I like the darker roots instead, but you guys, this looks really pretty. Like, whatever they have going on with this like colorway, it's really pretty and I absolutely love it. So you get a darker color brown down here at the bottom. In my opinion, in person, this brown right here is different from this color brown. Okay, so this one just gives off more chocolate, I guess I would say, more of like a chocolate brown, but this brown here is giving more of up here. So they just have like a lot of browns and tones going throughout this hair, but I do feel like the light blonde is consistent throughout the hair. I don't feel like it's more ashier or more blonder than any of the blonde pieces. Okay, I hope that made sense, because I just feel like I just said a whole bunch of nothing. But if you're following the hands and the movements, then you guys know like what I'm talking about.